Good morning, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. Hope you're all doing well today. We went out yesterday and we got a whole big can full of video for you, so get ready to enjoy. We want to give a quick shout out to Nancy Hodges, Nick Welchoff, John Hansen, Michael Fox, and JD. Thanks for your contributions. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for your support. Take care. Bye-bye. Five locomotives, got a nice Z train here. So main track number 1 right there. Skirting past this tie down on 2. Up there we've got a Union Pacific on the Palmdale Cutoff southbound.
Breaking up, Doug, I can't hear you. Up, I can't hear you.
We're at Cajon Summit, Milepost 56 down here. Yeah, that's the main track number 1 all the way up. This train was tied down about 10 minutes ago. It's Silverwood around the corner. It should get going faster and faster until the end. Beautiful high puffy clouds today. It's really hot, humid, dry. You're hearing the pitch of the sound of the train hum going a little bit higher pitch as it picks up a little bit more speed. Most of the trains are over the top of the summit now, so they're coasting. All right, we should have a freight train coming up any time now with 7 locomotives and a UP before too long, so we'll hang out here, see what we can do and get them. It's been an interesting day with a few challenges. We've handled everything so far. We're doing well. These ugly beige ones are UPS. We know you like what you see. Subscribe to the channel, please, if you haven't already. Share with your friends and family. You can talk about it over the dinner table. We have Super Like and Super Chat. We also have Patreon. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for all the contributions. We're celebrating our first anniversary and 2,000 subscribers. Couldn't have done it without you guys. Alright, we love you. We're going to catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Watch a few more. Take care.